Hey everyone, today I'm diving into why you need the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't all electric toothbrushes the same? Well, not quite. First off, let's talk about that pressure sensor. Imagine brushing a little too hard and damaging your gums. With the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300, it gently vibrates to alert you. It's like having a personal dentist giving you tips every morning. Next, the 3 cleaning modes. You've got clean, white and gum care. Whether you're prepping for a big date or just maintaining your daily routine, there's a mode for every need. Don't forget the Smart Timer and Quad Pacer. The Smart Timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. And the Quad Pacer, it divides your mouth into 4 sections, so you get an even clean every time. Plus, it comes with 2 bonus brush heads and a sleek travel case. Perfect for anyone who's always on the go. And did I mention the stylish black design? It's like the little black dress of toothbrushes that goes with everything. Honestly, investing in the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 is a no-brainer. It's not just about having a clean mouth, it's about taking care of your overall health. A healthy mouth means a healthy body. So, if you're serious about your dental health, this is the toothbrush for you. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.